What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Novice, your number one source for everything in the world of cryptocurrency news. We're on CoinDesk.com here today, and we're talking about the crypto industry going nuclear with uranium-linked tokens. The Uranium-308 tokens are backed by uranium from the publicly listed Canadian exploration and development firm Madison Metals. How cool is that? But before we get into today's video, as always, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research before you invest in any cryptocurrency. And remember, these videos are for educational purposes only. Many a crypto degen trader is trolling digital asset markets for the next token. The blockchain industry's latest offering might be thought of as thermonuclear. A uranium-based token called Uranium-308 is open for trading on Uniswap, and in an attempt to shake up how the highly regulated heavy metal is bought and sold. Now, our goal is to create a spot market for uranium, said Ryan Gorman, who's the head of strategy at Uranium-308. Canada-based public uranium exploration and development firm Madison Metals Inc., or GREN, is providing the asset backing for the U tokens, which represent 1 pound of uranium. San Miguel Capital Investments LLC is responsible for the token issuance and administration. Owners of U token can't just request physical delivery of its underlying yellow cake. Although U is listed on a decentralized exchange, its website says buyers must pass a strict compliance protocol managed by Madison Metals to make sure they won't build a nuclear weapon or anything like that, which, who cares? I mean, if you do, you do, whatever. For example, they also need to redeem a minimum of 20,000 U tokens. Now, the project has already received interest from up to $10 million of physical settlement orders from a compliant and licensed uranium broker, with delivery to a compliant licensed enricher in Europe, said Madison Metals CEO of Dwayne Parnham. The offering arrives as tokenized real-world assets, RWA, have become a red-hot sector in crypto. The process consists of crafting tokens backed by traditional assets, bonds, investment funds, or commodities like gold, and placing them on blockchain rails. Now, traditional finance giants as well as digital asset firms are making headway in tokenization as the technology promotes lower frictions in trading and transacting, near instant settlements, less administrative burden, and such can provide improved access for investors. Asset management firm 21.co forecasted that the market for tokenized assets could mushroom into $10 trillion by the end of the decade. The tokens linked to its underlying asset is structured as a forward sales offtake agreement, according to Parnham, which is a 30-year veteran of the uranium mining industry. He said the token's uranium backing will come from Madison Nambian mines. Interesting, Nambian mines, which are not in production yet, as well as its partnerships with other industry players. Some of the yellow cake is ready to go for physical delivery, said Gorman, but the test of the 20 million pounds of uranium-linked uranium is still underground. Uranium is crucial for energy production in nuclear power plants with rising demand. However, the commodity doesn't have an open spot market, and trading occurs via private negotiations between buyers and sellers. Commodity giant Gamio pointed out. Uranium-308 aims to make the asset's pricing less opaque and accessible for a broader investor base by replacing the industry's current procurement contracts process. The bidding for this contract and private negotiations can last days, weeks, or even months, and is subject to inconsistent objective pricing based on a number of operative and opaque factors. With the U token price, the token trades is how much an institution pays per ounce of uranium, said Gorman. Uranium 308 plans to roll out additional products for their uranium industry participants early next year, Gorman said. That's going to do it for this video here on The Crypto Novice. Like, comment, subscribe. Help us educate people in the world of finance and cryptocurrencies. And we'll see you guys in the next video.